Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this guide, I'm going to show you how to get a command block in Minecraft. So first, you need to open Minecraft, go to the single player option, then click on create a new world. It's crucial that allowed cheats is turned on. Now create your new world and wait for it to load. If you're playing with friends and open your world to LAN, remember to also enable allowed cheats there. Now you won't find the command block in your inventory by simply searching for it. To get one, we'll use a command. So press the T key on your keyboard to open the chat and then type /give followed by your player name. For me, it's Baby Bobby. And press enter on your keyboard. Once you press enter, the command block will appear in your inventory. You can place it down. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.